Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. Bonbon here doing another video where today we are going to be reacting to hot food, and it's the noise. Alright, let's get right into it.
Hot food. We sit down to eat, and the potato's a bit hot. So I only...
Dude, that was already funny. His head gestures, like, he leans back and looks at you like, bro, we better do this.
Put a little bit on my fork and I blow till it's cool, just cool, then into the mouth. Nice.
Wait, how did he do that with his mouth? Like, let me try to do it. Wait. Noise. Wait. Noise. Or I can't do it.
And there's my brother, he's doing the same. Till it's cool.
Look at his lips. His lips literally reached out to grab the spoon, the fake imaginary spoon. It's like, give me the spoon. I must have the potatoes.
Just cool, into the mouth. Nice. There's my mum, she's doing the same.
I bet he likes doing the smacking thing. That's why he keeps doing it over and over.
Till it's cool.
Just cool. Into the mouth.
Nice.
Nice.
But my dad.
Your dad.
My dad, what does he do?
What does he do?
He stuffs a great big chunk of potato into his mouth, and then that really does it. His eye...
The face you make when you're about to die, and everybody knows you're about to die, it's like, look at my eyes. You're gonna die with me.
Pop out. He flaps his hands. He blows, he puffs, he yells, he bobs his head up and down. He spits a potato all over his plate.
Yeah.
He turns to us and he goes, "Watch out, everybody. The potato's really hot."
Thank you guys. No, not sponsored. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Mr. Bonbon. That was the funniest thing I've ever heard. And if you like this video, subscribe, comment down below saying you subscribed. If you're new, snap. Wait, what? Snap? I don't know. Just do all that good stuff. Goodbye!